Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I will be coloring this drawing that I did in the previous video where I showed you how to draw it. So here we will use whatever colors you would like, or you could follow along with me as we do this pretty face with red hair and a choker necklace. I'm using markers. These are alcohol-based markers. I got them from Amazon. They were quite a cheap set for lots and lots of colors, which is what I like them for. You could use color pencils, you could use crayons, you could use whatever you would like to use to color in yours. You don't have to use these kind of markers. All right, let's get started. Okay, to get started, I'm gonna just do an overall color for the skin. And I'm going to leave just the lips blank so that we can color those in separately. So I just chose like whatever color made sense to me. You could choose whatever skin tone color you would like. And I'm just going to fill in with the thick side just so it goes by fast. Okay, up next, I'm gonna choose a color to do a little bit of shading in with, and it's like a slightly darker color than the original one that I used. I'm gonna use the thin side for this, and I'm just gonna start adding some shadows. So first I want on just this side of the nose to have a nice shadow here, and it'll connect with the underside of the nose. Okay, then I just want to give her like a nice lip color here. So I chose this vermilion. So I'm going, vermilion is basically like orange. So I'm going to do the shadow part with this darker color, and then I'll shade the middle in with a lighter one. Okay, and then the middle, I'm gonna go for a much lighter pink. Okay. Now for the eyes, I'm gonna go in with my lightest gray color and just at the top and the bottom to create like some nice depth to the eyes. I'm gonna do that, and then I want to do some green eyes. I was feeling inspired. My mother has green eyes and it was just her birthday, so I'm gonna do the middle, color it in green. Then to add some extra dimension, I'm gonna go in with a darker green color and just at the top. I'm gonna go ahead and add that little bit of dimension. Okay, let's move on to the hair. So I was feeling inspired again. I wanted to do red hair. My mother has red hair, and I'm going to go in with this orange color and just color it all in. Okay, and I'm going to add some extra depth and dimension. I'm going to go in with my darker orange color, and I'm going to add, okay, now I'm going to add some extra dimension, and I'm going to go in and add a darker orange color. And then maybe I'll go a little bit with the eyebrows as well. Okay, and now the necklace I want to make like a really bright pink. So start with the outside here, just a darker pink. And then the inside I will do a bit of a lighter pink. And I like the way that that looks with like a turquoise color, so I'm gonna shade the necklace part with this turquoise. And then I'm gonna use that same color on the shirt. Uh-oh, color's starting to run out. Let me use this side. And then last but not least, I'm going to use this darker turquoise to add a little depth and dimension. And maybe for the final, I'm just going to add a tiny bit of like an even darker color. I just want to add a little dimension in my face. Okay, and there you have it, the completed color version of our pretty face with red hair, red lips, and a heart choker necklace. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please leave me a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more of my drawings. Bye-bye.